Have you ever felt that feeling of clear-headed calm that washes over you when you listen to the water babbling down a stream? Or leaves rustling in the wind? Or birds chirping or singing? Those are some of the sounds that have helped me ease my pain. During my first year of college, I was diagnosed with seasonal depression and was given the option to take medication. That was not something I was willing to accept nor depend on. I didn't think my diagnosis needed medication. That's when I discovered the power of nature healing by connecting to nature in a whole new way. I decided to go camping right after my diagnosis and get lost in the woods. Nature walks were always enjoyable to me, but this time I decided to use the quiet and surrounding ecosystems to find meaning behind my diagnosis. As I was sitting on one of the trees, listening to my thoughts and taking deep breaths, the sounds of nature overpowered my thoughts and shifted my concentration to the birds and a water stream that was just a few feet away from me. It was the most calming, peaceful, and pure moment of my life that made me feel alive and free of negative thoughts. This power of nature was indescribable. It was the peak experience of my nature self. I was so thankful to go through such a natural and spiritual experience because this was something that would help overcome my negative thoughts for the rest of my life.